So much milk you take? Let's see. Yeah, okay.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. So today is going to be a Saturday in my life, you know, what I eat, what I did. So welcome to the new vlog. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sashi Shan. Welcome to the gang. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Big up on yourself. Enjoy your Saturday. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let's get into the rest of the video. Bye. So guys, as I said, I finished eating breakfast. So I have a to-do list here to get rid of. Oh my god, can you see it? There's so many things for me to do. Oh my god. So I'm gonna get cracking. For those who don't know, my sister did my hair, and yeah, my hair not easy to keep. So good luck to that. It gone 1 week already. So I'm here trying to figure out where I'm gonna start, but I think I'm gonna start with the clothes since it's in my room. Fold the clothes, get rid of them, and then get on my way. So let's get into doing that, and then I'm gonna clean my room, look my clothes for the next 2 weeks for school or for work, whatever it is, and then head to the other work. I feel so lazy. I don't like doing things on a Saturday. I think that I must get a lot of rest for Saturday. Plus, I had to get up early because they are having children church in Kellits, children rally rather in Kellits, and I had to get up and wake up the little brat and ready her so she can get going. And now I'm super tired. Like, me eat breakfast already, so that's out of the way. Normally, but I just get up them time because it's Saturday and nobody must wake me up. But anyway, we're not gonna put that on our brain. We're just gonna get cracking the lacking and macking, you know, and move on with this. So yeah. Alright guys, so I finished looking my 2 weeks clothes. I did say there's more than that enough, but I'm looking 2 weeks clothes. So I think I'm gonna wear mostly blue next week, and then orange the other week, orange and black, orange and brown, blue and black for the week, or blue and white. And I'm gonna wear purple tomorrow and white for first Sunday. So yeah, you'll see me when I'm ironing them. So clothes for next week are looks. Now let's get on with the cleaning of the room. Hi. Daddy water boot in a back of me. Anywho, I paused this video to enjoy the mango. I can't eat mango. This is number, I don't know if I number 12 or number 11, but I numbers. Look at that. Look at that. I can pass a pig one.
Where do you want it to pick food?
No, I'm just gonna. Ugh. This punk.
Alright, so that's break. Lunch.
She said break and after 12 people. Like, And now work fair. If you follow this picnic, she don't do a shadow. Anyway.
I don't know why they're just gonna eat.
I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this mango. Holding the phone and eating it now work. Alright guys, so my room is clean. Just have to sweep out and yeah. Wipe. Mr. Andia. So yeah, I'm gonna sweep out the house and wipe. And then straighten it up, of course. And then I'm gonna wash and then I'm gonna iron. Then I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna sleep. I drop me a lesson plan to do. Sweeping. I'm going to wash and then I'm gonna come and wipe the place. The kitchen clean. My sister cleaned the kitchen. She's in the bathroom washing it, and yeah, all rooms are clean. So I'm gonna get to washing, and then afterwards iron. Yeah, that's the last thing. Well, I finished washing about let's say 15 minutes ago because I started ironing. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, and 1 is on the board. So I'm ironing now, and then I'm gonna cool off, and then I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna do a lesson plan. Probably when I'm cool enough, I start my lesson plan. I started already in the week, but I have some finishing touch to do, so I'm gonna do 2 weeks lesson plan, so I don't have to go back through each weekend. So yeah, let's get into the rest of the video. mad in that. Since I'm go up there then tell them if you ask mommy for money for buy burger. You know easier and better. So guys, I was sitting here editing my vlog and just realized that I did not say thanks for watching or whatever. I didn't close out my video, you know. So thanks for watching that video. Of course, my a shower part of my video got damaged, so I have to get rid of it. So hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I love you guys. Bye. Baby,